I'm watching my show with Jax's fine ass on there. Yo, Jax and Tara the reason why I watch the show. I miss Opie. God rest his soul, son. And yeah. We don't need blame. I love that pretty boy right there. Jax Teller is fine as fuck. He's the reason why I love watching the show. Him and Tara. But I'm sitting here by myself in the hotel. The competition is because I want to and there's nobody to chill with. So I'm hanging by myself and enjoying it. So I'm watching TV. Y'all can watch it with me. So we're both watching TV at the same time. If you know who made this video, it's me, Jessie herself. You just can't see me, but you can hear my voice. And I will post up more videos, but some of me and some of what I'm watching and what I'm doing. I wish I can pose and show you guys what I'm wearing right now, but I can't because it's explicit. So I guess it's fair to say that Sam Crow's future is pussy, not bullets. We struck a deal with the Irish. One that keeps the peace. Look at that face. I just want to... But that transition means we all take a hit. Now I know... I just want to sit on Jax's pretty face. Ooh. Whether it's in protection, alright. Jax's fine ass making me wet. Yo, that's just crazy. I can't deal with this no more. He looks better with longer hair than short hair, but he's still beautiful. That's why I love my white and my Spanish men, because they are they're so fine. I love me some caramel and vanilla. We've had 20 members killed in the last 2 years. All of those deaths tied to the gun business. I'm gonna let y'all watch this for a while. Outside of guns, how you earn is up to you. But if you would like, my charter will do everything it can to help you move in a legitimate direction. A direction that keeps us out of jail. That keeps us whole. And that keeps us alive. Yeah! Sons of Anarchy, baby. Bam. That's how you do it. There we go.
Really? Are you kidding me? Gotta talk to your boss. Gemma. Seriously, come on.
Gemma, hey. As fast as you can.
I'll call you back.
Who are you?
My question also.
It's okay, you guys. Gemma, what the hell are you doing here?
Who's this?
District Attorney Patterson. She's prosecuting Nero's case. Gemma, tell her tomorrow. But the
Old lady.
And Jax tell his mother. Didn't know there was an old lady connection too.
Yeah, well, there's a lot of shit you don't know. You mind if I share? Nero was set up. That Marshal Torek. He told Clay he would do anything to hurt the club. He was having Otto Delaney raped every day to punish him for what he did to his sister, and then he threatened to do the same thing to Clay. That's why Otto killed Torek. Couldn't take it anymore. And Marshall was nuts. Nero would never hurt one of his girls. He was with me the entire night. Next morning he went to church. I know you want to find the devil that put the gun in that boy's hand. It wasn't Nero.
Then who was it?
like the call of a desperate boss pressing for leverage. You might want to get in front of that.
Lieutenant, let's check his hotel.
Paid for his month up front. Showed me his badge. I didn't know he was killed. Sorry to hear that.
We need to talk to anyone who's cleaned the room.
He didn't want need service. He didn't want anyone in this room. Said he was working on a case or something.
Thanks.
Let me know when you're done.
Yeah. Smell that? Bleach. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Guns. Check the bags. Yeah. It's a guy expecting trouble. Or looking to cause it. Why don't you check out the bathroom?